Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and in this video I'm going to show you few of the features of the all new 3D Touch feature which comes on the iPhone 6s and the 6s Plus. Now here is the iPhone 6s, and in this video I'll be showing you a demo of few of the applications which are supported by the 3D Touch feature. So we have mentioned a complete list, the link of which is mentioned in the description area of this video, but here is a quick demo of the same. So few of the basic functions of this phone, like phone and messages, does come with this feature. Do make a note that if you do a long press, you will end up in deleting these applications or getting an option to move these applications. But in order to enable this 3D Touch, you have to actually do a force touch, and you get all these options. So let's get started with some of these applications. First off, whenever you find that application is not having this feature, you would find there's a small vibration, and which clearly notices you that there's no 3D Touch feature available for that specific application. So the first one here is the Instagram application. The moment you tap on this with a force, you can find few shortcuts like new post, view activity, search, and direct. So the moment you directly tap on view activity, you can find all the latest likes and dislikes or the comments which you have received on your Instagram. The same way, the Find Friends application also gives you an option of share my location. Next up, there is this Camera Plus application which also offers you with a few options like view lightbox, take a macro, take selfie, take a photo, and etc. So it's more about a convenience when you get all the shortcuts available right away. Here you can directly access your reading list or open a private tab, new tab, or show your bookmarks. So you don't have to go to the browser and then go to all the options. In terms of contacts, you can directly tap and create a new contact. Here is another application which works with the 3D Touch feature, and here you go. You directly can scan with your camera, scan from photos, or scan from the cloud. So this is an scanning application, and it comes with 3D Touch. Next up, here is a Dropbox application. I have not configured it, that's the reason it says 0 files, but these are few of the options wherein you can search, upload photos, and manage it. This is another email application called as Spark, which comes with this options. Again, that's a very interesting application. I have started using it, and I find that all the emails are perfectly assigned to find which should be given more priority. So here you can find new emails, smart search, attachments, and view calendar. Next up, Twitter also supports it. You can directly go here and tap on new tweet, and you would be directly taken to the new tweet application or new tweet window. Here is the app store where you can search and redeem. This is the maps where you have the option to directly go to the home, mark my location, send my location, or search nearby. Then this camera comes with again some very interesting features right away to you. So you don't have to go to the camera and swipe around to the correct mode. You can directly do it from the home screen itself. Next up, here is the iBooks where you can search for iBooks. Under notes, you have the option of new note, new photo, and new sketch. Under clock, you have the option of creating a new alarm, and under photos you can find the most recent, favorites, and search, and the calendar allows you to add a new entry. So these are few of the applications which come pre-installed, and few of those like Twitter, Spark, Dropbox, the Genius Scan, and Instagram, which I have separately downloaded, like the Camera Plus, which comes with this 3D Touch. Not all the applications come with that, so here is another one which is this new News 360 application which gives you the news and also comes with the 3D Touch. So I have also installed few other applications, but not all are perfectly configured for the 3D Touch, but soon the applications would be coming with these new features. So as of now, I have just given you a demo of few of the applications which come with the 3D Touch. Do make a note that sometimes you may end up like doing a long press and end up actually moving the applications or going to the earlier type of options. So these are few of the applications which are available on the Apple App Store, which you can download and enjoy this advanced force touch feature which is called as 3D Touch by Apple. You can also swipe through few of the options, like in terms of camera you can find the latest photos, but using this force 3D Touch you can actually swipe around through all your photos and get a preview of all the photos. So that's another interesting feature. So you have a bunch of other advanced features, and you can also customize them from your settings panel. So that's the list of applications which are currently configured or currently available for the 3D Touch feature, and soon you may find more and more applications which are available to use with this new feature. So this is about the applications which are available for the iPhone 6s and the 6s Plus with the Force Touch or the advanced 3D Touch feature. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and stay subscribed to PhoneRadar for more. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any queries about the iPhone 6s or the iPhone 6, and I would be happy to assist you on the same. Stay subscribed on PhoneRadar, and you can follow me on Twitter at Amit Bhavani. This is Amit signing off, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.